Auto Imports strives for 100% customer satisfaction. All of D's quality vehicles are thoroughly inspected before they are offered with a D's 90-day drive-away, limited warranty. Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 156,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, Bluetooth, and power windows. Purchase this vehicle with confidence now and get D's 90-day drive-away, limited warranty.